Hello guys, my name is how are you? I hope you all are good and this is Shubham Damrakar and today I'm going to do an amazing chart analysis with you because lots of people ask me about the forecasting and backtesting, how I do forecasting, how I do backtesting. So let's move forward in this video. I will share you how I will analyze my charts and how I will use possibilities and probabilities to understand the market behavior and trade according to that. Let's move forward into the chart. Let's discuss about the JPST. This is a JPST which is currently showing you in a three-touch formation. Let me just go back to you because it is very important to understand the price action behavior as a whole to understand the current price action scenario. So if you look at the past, in a past price action structure, price was very clearly indicating that it was moving into the ascending channel structure. It was because it was you can see this. This was clearly indicating that the price was moving into the ascending channel structure. But what are the other factor which is involved in that? The other factor which is involved in that was also a price action structure, which is impulse correction continuation, which is very easily formed price action, which you will get in a forex trading, because impulse correction continuation is a basic form of price action structure which is always working to the market. So how you will see this? Is that possible that you are able to see this? Let me move forward and explain you what is that impulse correction continuation. So as you can see this, the whole price action structure was ascending, but within that structure price was also moving one more price action structure which was impulse correction continuation. If you look at this way, you will get clear understanding at that level. When the price was breaked, when the price was break at level, it was a clear indication that the price have to move up, and it moved up. After the impulsive move, it took some correction because it is very necessary for taking correction, because it give an indication or confirmation to the market. So this was a good price action structure. And why some people thinking that from the top of the structure, why price just did not move down? Price was moved down, but because it moved up from that level is the reason behind this. Because this is a support level, this is a very important support level. Price took supported at that level, and after the support, price moved up. And the psychology is that the price is making a double top structure right now. If you look at the whole price action structure, let me move forward into the daily time frame in which you will get clear understanding about it. Let me just move it. This is a daily time frame structure which is clearly indicating that price is very near to the double top structure. And if you look at the 4 hourly time frame structure, in a 4 hourly time frame structure, price is also moving. The reason behind why price moved up from that level is because the price was price took support at the support level is the previous support level, and from that level it moved to the upside, making the reversal structure. This is a reversal structure which was indicating that price have to move down. This was a reversal structure which was just indicating right now. I'm not going to take entry at that level because I am thinking that the price will move up, break the resistance level, and this will be will be a false breakout. I'm sure there is a higher possibility that the price will break this resistance level, because price have to make three touch structure. If you look at this, this is a three touch formation which is a reversal structure. Whenever the price form this kind of price action structure at the top or at the bottom, this reflect the reversal. So whenever we see this kind of price action structure in a top or a bottom, we always have to think about that the price have to move, price have to change the direction. So what I'm looking for, that I'm looking for that the price will take upside move from that level to make a third touch structure, just like this. First, second, third, and from that level I will take entry for the short to the low. This will be our first target. This will be our first target. As there is a 90% possibilities in the price action structure. Whenever the price break any kind of price action structure, there is a 90 or 95% possibility that the price will move up to the low of that structure. But this will not form in a one form. One form we will get another kind of entries over there also. So let's move into the chart, and I will explain you how we will get it. So what I'm looking for in this is a GBP/USD. I'm looking this, the price will move up. It will make kind of reversal structure over here, just like it was make previously. Suppose it will make this kind of price action structure. So what I will look here, this can be a price action structure over here. From the top, the price will move down, or the price will make this kind of price action structure. Suppose it will move up, it will take correction, give a breakout to the lower side, and then it will move down. So this is this is how we have to work on the process. This is how we have to analyze the price action. This is just a possibility because sorry, this is a probability because the price is forming three touch structure. What other thing you can how you can forecast the other area of entry? Because the price is moving into the ascending channel structure, you can see this. If the price break this level, suppose if the price will break this level, suppose the price have break this level, so you cannot go to the short right now. You cannot take a sell entry from that level, because there is a possibility at that level that price will form a ascending channel structure. From the low of that structure, price will move up. There is a possibility of that also. So what we have to do, we always have to look for a look entry for the best level, which is this level. So make sure if the price break this level, yeah, because price was to price support at the previous level, I'm assuming that price will take support at that level also, and will move from that level, and then it will move down. But what if the price will break? If the price will break this level, you do not have to enter at the short level. You will have to wait for the price action breakout, which is not giving you a right now. You will always have to wait for the price action breakout, because price always give you an indication towards the market that it will move up or it will move down, but we always have to wait for the confirmation to enter into the market. So how you can, this is a second valuable area. From there, price will take to the upside, price will move to the upside, because what it will form, if the price will take support, it will form a ascending channel structure. This is also a very clear price action structure, which was indicating uh, traders to understand the price action behavior, and to find out a real price action breakout. So make sure you, if you have to short in a GBP/USD, short from the upper level, from the level of double top, from the level of double top. So there's a higher possibility that you will make profitable trade on that, and this will be your first target. So suppose if the price was break that level, then yeah, it's good. Do not panic, do not get trapped into the market that price have break the resistance level, and we have to support level, and we have to go for the short. Make sure the price, because the price action is a independent, it can form any kind of price action structure. So there is a possibility from that level it will move, it will form a ascending channel, and from that level it will move up. So if you enter the short, you will get a stop loss over there. So make sure sell it from the top of the resistance level, and when you will sell from that level, the risk level will also very low, and the chances of profitable trade is also very high. So make sure sell from that level, and this will be a first target. This will be a first target, and this will be our long-term target, because the price is moving into the complete channel, or a price action structure was also indicating. Because why I'm saying that this will be your first target, because there's a 100% possibility that the price will take support at that level also. There's a possibility that the price will take support, move down, and from that level it can move up. Make sure this will be your first target, because the price action structure always telling us there's a 90% possibility that the price will move up to the low of that structure. So we always have to choose the right level to entry and right level to exit. Make sure if the price will break very impulsively that level, then will be good. Then we have to revise our stop loss at the cost or in a profit also, and then we will move run a position. But if it will take support at that level. If it will take support at that level, make sure you will have to exit at that level. This level will good for the exit. And how many percentage, how many pips you will apply if you exit at that? It's a 230 pips. It's amazing percentage. 5.73 percentage will make over here. So it is good trade. It will be a good trade if you apply this. If you enter this trade at the top of the level, and make sure you will always have to enter at the higher value level. This is a higher setup. This is a higher form of setup, which is clearly indicating that the price will have to move up. So I hope you understand. This is just a possibility and the probability. Possibility is what? Possibility is that price will take the support at that level, and from that level it will move up to make a three touch structure. If the price will take support at that level and then it will move up, this will be a three touch structure. This will be a three touch structure. But what if it will break? If it will break, then it will be ascending channel structure, which was indicating that first price was taking a support at that level, and then it will move up and move up from that level. So I hope you understand the price action structure, the psychology behind that structure, and the profitability and the setup, from where we have to set up and from where we have to exit. So this was the first pair which I have forecasted for you. Let's move forward into the second pair, which is Euro JPY. Euro JPY was solid structure. The price action structure is clearly indicating that it has to move up, because let me move forward into the history part also. Let me move just remove it all. What you are able to see over here? There's a lots of price action structure you can see in this, but let me talk about the price action structure first. Look at this and look at this. You can see how similar they are. Not by candle, but by the structure I'm talking about. You can see how similar they are. Price moved down, it was also moved down. Price moved up, it was also moved up. Then it will move down, then it will move down. So what is the reason behind this? Price action was, as you know, that price action always repeated its history. History always repeats itself. In a price action structure, this is a very important rule to understand. History always repeats itself. Whenever the price makes similar price action structure, not by candle, but by the structure, there is a 90% possibility that that price action structure work into the market. So if you look at this price action structure, it was clearly indicating that after breaking that level, moving down from the top, it was moved to the low of that structure. Yeah. So what I'm looking for that, I'm looking that price will move up to low of that structure. I'm looking for that price will move up to down of that structure, which is this level. Why? Let me move forward the second aspects of thinking like this. Why I'm thinking that the price have to move down at that level. The price action structure was also very clearly indicating that. If you look at this, let me move. Yeah. This is a similar price action structure, which is clearly indicating that price is moving into the ascending channel structure. And just like I was talking about the GBP/USD, within the ascending channel structure or within any kind of price action structure, there is a high possibility that the price will move into the other price action structure into that structure, which is it is a impulse correction continuation. And after the impulse correction continuation, price impulse correction continuation from that level, it was moved down, and I was thought at that level that price will move down, then it will move up. But what happened in that? Price moved up because of the GBP was strong. All the JPY pairs was strong at that time. That's why it also moved up. And what is right now? It is forming. It is clearly indicating that price will have to move down because price was rejected from the higher level. This is a first sign of the reversal structure. price was rejected at the higher level. You can see that price was rejected at the higher level, and it was also forming a reversal structure, which is what, if I just back it down, what you are seeing at this is a whole other price action structure. This is the other price action structure, completely indicating that price will have to move up, move down. What is this? If you look at this, this is forming a, this is, if you look at this is forming a clearly price action. If you look at this level, this is clearly indicating that price is moving into the reversal structure, which is ascending channel structure. But there is a possibility part over here is also, there is a possibility that the price will move up from that level also. Is that possible that price can move up and from that level it will move down? Yeah, this is also possible. But what I'm looking for that is because price have also rejected from the higher level. There is a very less possibility I'm getting at that level, because it was also give us confirmation to the downside, because it will in a weekly or daily price action chart, there's a resistance level we are getting from at the higher level. Let me move into the chart and I will explain it to you over there. Let me move into the chart. Yeah. This is what, this is a daily time frame structure. This is a daily time frame structure, and in a daily time frame structure, this is a weekly resistance level, a daily resistance level we are getting. If we move forward into the weekly time frame, I'll show you in weekly time frame also. This is a weekly time frame structure. This is a weekly time frame structure, which is clearly indicating that price is rejecting from the higher level. So this is an indication that there's a very low possibility that the price will move into the, let me move forward into the 4 hourly price time frame and make a price action structure for you. Can you see how clear this is? It is very clear price action structure, which was indicating that price have to move up. And it is again forming a different reversal structure, which was indicating that price will have to move. If you look at this was a very good level for the short. Let me explain you why we have missed the first entry to that level. Let me move. Yeah. If you look at this is a forming ascending channel structure, which is a reversal structure. So what I'm looking for here is that I'm looking for here is that the price will move up if there's a possibility. This is not what will happen. This is not what will happen. This is just a forecasting which I'm analyzing, that if the price will not break this, then what happened? If the price will not break this, then the price will move up. It will take any reversal structure from that level, and then it will move down. This is the first setup we have to look for. And what can happen again? It can happen again that price can move down, and we can take some correction, and then it will move down. And this is very probable, because if you look at this, price have break, it took correction and then moved down. If you look at this was also a price action structure which was forming, but I was neglected this, because in a higher value the price was moving into the ascending channel. This was also a price action structure, and what was over there, price break, it takes some correction over here, and then it moved down. All the price action structure indicating that price will move down from that level. So make sure, do not wait for the price will move up. Yeah, there is a possibility if the price will move up, yeah, this will be a good level. You will able to sell it from the higher level. But the price action structure, which is, let's extract one for you once more. Yeah. If you look at this, this is just a price action structure which is indicating that price can move up. Because price is into the ascending channel structure, there is a higher possibility that the price will move up from that level, and if it will move up, then we will have to take this from the short level of the higher level. If it will not move up, so what we do? If it will not move up, then if the price will break this level, then it will move down. Make sure, wait for the correct level, wait for the confirmation, because this was indicating me that the price can move up. I'm very honest with you. This was indicating me because the price is moving into the ascending channel structure. There is a higher possibility that the price will move up and will will go down from the higher level, because this is a second touch. First touch, second touch, first touch, second touch. So there's a higher possibility it will move up and it will move down. So make sure, wait for the confirmation to get into the market, because this is very dramatic pair. This is very choppy pair which is moving. I have got two stop loss. Literally, I got two stop loss when I was trading this, because lots of time I get confirmation and it was a false confirmation. So make sure, wait for the right confirmation. If the price break that level, then go for short from that level, because this is also a correction. If you look at the 15-minute time frame structure, this was also correction. Price was also break the impulse correction continuation. If you look at this, this was the impulse correction continuation, impulse correction continuation. Price was break this level. That's why I was talking about that this was a good entry we have missed at that level, because price, this was the resistance level. There is a higher possibility it will have to move up, and if the price will come up, we'll go short from the higher level, because by following this, if the price will move up, yeah, sorry, if the price will move up, we will go short from the higher level. But make sure enter when the price will break the resistance level. This is a resistance level which is very important to break, because this is a weekly or daily resistance level. So I hope you understand this. This is a very important pick for the week ahead, and don't miss out to trade this and Euro USD. Sorry, GBUSD, which I have discussed to you. Let me just move into one more time GBUSD, because it was amazing. I hope you understand why we have to look GP Euro JPY for the short side, and yeah.